Hey guys, I am trying out this Insta360. Right now I am hand holding it and I can't see myself really through this camera view, but supposedly it's 360 and I don't even know what I am pointing this at. Alright, so I am framing it through the front camera, and I'm gonna mount this camera that I'm hand holding onto this car mount right here. So hopefully this car mount right here will be able to hold this Insta360. It's pretty good, this suction cup, and there's no zoom function. I don't think there's a zoom function on here. So hopefully when I get into like the post edits, I can like zoom in to all of these shots right here and get a close up, because right now it seems like it's just it's a pretty far out shot right now, and nothing looks symmetrical. Everything looks like fisheye right now looking through the camera. Let me go ahead and take this off. So I'm gonna unscrew this camera and then screw it onto the car mount and keep recording. See how it turns out like with it being recorded onto this car mount. So I'm kind of curious on how it's actually going to look like mounted on the vehicle. So let's just mount it on here and see how it turns out. So okay, so it is on the vehicle right now, and that is what it looks like mounted on the vehicle. Hopefully it's going to be able to get the back of the vehicle and the front of the vehicle. And let me see if I can grab my other phone real quick. Alright guys, so I am back now. So if the video is on the Insta360, I'm going to go back and forth. I am hand holding my regular setup, which is my iPhone. I am wearing the wireless mic for the DJI mini mic right here that's connected to the phone. And then the other microphone over here, this is the Insta360 wireless mic for the Insta360. And what I realized is that you have to get the same brand for the same camera. That way it will record the audio properly. Now, when I was using the DJI mic on the GoPro, the audio did not come out clear because the way GoPro is like set up, the Bluetooth on the GoPro, it's not gonna sync up properly to the DJI mic. That's why when you record with a DJI mic on a GoPro, the audio is horrible. And that's why I went ahead and purchased the Insta360 wireless mic for the Insta360. That way when you record the audio, hopefully it comes out perfect. Now this is my first test, and this is how it looks like on the vehicle. So I've got it mounted on the vehicle just like this. And these suction cups right here, you can kind of see the white marking. So I guess when the white marking comes out, that lets you know that the suction is getting loose or is losing suction. So all you gotta do is just keep pressing it back in. You just keep pumping it back in. And as long as you don't see the white marking, then you know that it's still holding suction. See, now it's still holding suction. The others are just fine. And I'm gonna try to use the Insta360 and go back and forth to see if the Insta360 can actually record down this low and that close to the stick. I want to see if you could get the front of the vehicle while I'm driving the front. You should be able to pan to the side. So I'm going to try to pan to the side in the post edits. And then you should be able to pan directly behind you. So hopefully I can pan this camera in post to like get this giant rear wing and get a view like right behind the vehicle, and get some amazing footage that way as well. Now, apparently, if you look at this camera, it's not completely centered, and from what I've been reading, it's like it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfectly centered because you can reframe your shots in the post edits. I'm kind of curious to see how that's gonna work, and let's go ahead and put everything in the computer and try to do some quick post edits and see if that's gonna work out how I plan it to work out.